Downtown that you learn off the internet will not work around real skaters, and I'm going to tell you why. Something that a lot of beginner skaters and pandemic skaters really do with the downtown is they make it into like a signature move. They talk about the downtown the same way they used to talk about the Stone Cold Stunner. And I'm here to tell you that it's an extremely simple move. It's an extremely simple sequence, and if you're having trouble with the downtown, you're probably having trouble with the very simple moves that make the downtown up. When you actually get into the ring, we don't just do the downtown. A lot of times it's a call and response situation. We have a leader, and that leader will call. One might be the downtown. Two might be two rotations of the downtown in one direction. Or the leader might do this. That means we're gonna do a spin in the middle. So that means it's deeper than learning the sequence. To truly be able to do this in the ring and to truly be able to do this with people, you have to have a vocabulary of moves. And that's what we're gonna be focusing on today. The basic skills to get that downtown, the basic footwork, and building that vocabulary. Just as usual, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 5 exercises. Let's get into it. Get into it. This first one is gonna be a classic. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and boom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, move. Good, that's our first 30 seconds. We're about to get it in today. That's how they get made. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and that is our time. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure this is here and this is here. It has to be two different things. It needs to be two different things. Let's get it in. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Good, that's 30 seconds, that's 30 seconds. We're gonna rest it out for 30 more seconds. Shake it off, 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 shake it off. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Slippy to slide, do 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 do. Get up. Slide, slide, slippy to slide. Woo! That's it, that's it. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Good, next 30 seconds, let's get it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and the slide, slide, slippy slide. Get them arms in it. 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 Work it out. Work it out. Work it out. Good. That's 30 seconds. All right, next. Move. 2 pumps behind and front. 2 pumps. Boom. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The most 2 important parts. 1 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2. Get some arms in. If you're downtown, you ain't got it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Okay, she's so expensive, okay. Diamond titties necklace, okay. I'm for the star, yeah, yeah. Good, 30 more seconds, 30 more seconds. Check it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. She's so expensive, okay. Diamond titties necklace, okay. Look at this guns again, yeah. She's so expensive. 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I gotta watch it. Because if I step off, This exercise number 4. We're gonna be doing this one for 30 seconds too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's 30 seconds. I messed up that last one because the timer went off. Anyway, we got another one. This time, I'm gonna start from all the way over. Because I need some. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our next one is going to be a little bit of a doozy. A little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once out, back, cross, back, over, right, left. it.